You have lived in Cote d'Ivoire for some time now and you are looking for a more stable job. Since finding a job has been hard, you have even tried entrepreneurship, thinking it would be a way to create your own job. But you are realizing that real entrepreneurship is tremendously expensive. Did anybody tell you that entrepreneurship is not for everyone? No, entrepreneurship is not for everyone. Maybe not for you. And just because you are not an entrepreneur does not make you a less important person, a less important human being. Whoever you are and wherever you live, you have something unique and valuable that others are seeking, but you are just not aware of it. If you cannot find a job and if you cannot create your own enterprise, what can you do instead? Because at the end of the day, you need to make a living to put food on the table. So, how are you gonna do that? As you keep watching this video until this point, let me tell you something important. There are three main profiles in business, and they are all complementary. That is what is displayed through the CEAV logo, as you can see now. For example, did you know that a company cannot survive in the long run without its customers? Whether you are jobless or not, you are already being a customer for a couple of companies. And you know very well that you have been giving them money for some time now. But who is giving you money? Since you are jobless and you do not own a business. Borrowing or asking for money here and there will not get you far. People you know will end up not picking up your phone calls or not texting you back. You know what I mean? And to be honest with you, to be brutally honest with you, you are wasting your money making potential. You too can make money, but you gotta know the rules of making money. Therefore, your mission right now should be to figure out your business profile and look for people who are of the other two so that you can associate with them and thrive. Unless you understand that we live in a world of interdependence and mutual prosperity, you will always be struggling to even get by and keep complaining about a quote-unquote rigged system. Wealth starts with associating what is already available at sight and creating something valuable out of it. Do you want to know what those three main business profiles are? You have number one, the manufacturer or creator. Number two, the marketer or seller. And number three, the manager. Who are you and who do you need to hang out with? The CEAV Business Workshop helps you find out the answer and more. The CEAV Business Workshop is held on the second Sunday of every month, 14 to 16 GMT and Abidjan time. It is held on Google Meet. Then the recorded video of the workshop is posted on the YouTube channel CEAV English Network. Participants at the workshop are prioritized for business deals and ventures through following the framework of the three business profiles. So, if you want a breakthrough in your business life from now on, do not be shy of showing your face and being heard in front of the world, for that is one of the missing pieces of the puzzle that you are trying to uncover. You've got no amount of money to pay as this workshop is sponsored. Just show up and enjoy. Date and time of the upcoming CEAV Business Workshop. Sunday, September 10, 2023, 14 to 16 GMT and Abidjan time. Attendance to the CEAV Business Workshop is free, but the spots are very limited. So grab yours now by texting the 3 words CEAV Business Workshop through WhatsApp at +225 0778 051358. You will receive the Google Meet link 5 minutes before starting time on D-Day. The CEAV Business Workshop is sponsored by Cafeteria Corner by CEAV Services, meals cooked and delivered to order in Abidjan. CEAV Business Workshop. Come and discover your business profile.